Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard. It doesn't really matter where, just open it. And here we have to take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings. If you cannot find them here, just tap on this three dots icon and they should appear right here. So let me enter the settings and let's tap on the languages which are here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards, of all available layouts. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find the language you like to use. So after finding a language, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me pick, for example, Russian. Let's tap on it, and here we can choose the keyboard we would like to use. I will leave this one, so simply tap on Done. And as you can see, the Russian has been applied to the list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check the changes, because there will be some. First of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will help us to change the language. So right now we can type in English, but after tapping on this globe icon, we can easily switch to the Russian. And do it again, and here we've got the English. So actually this is how to change the language, how to add a language to the keyboard. And now I can show you how to remove particular language from the keyboard, because for some reason you do not need two different languages added. So all you have to do is simply open the settings and enter the languages, and in order to remove the language, simply tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and in my case it will be Russian, and tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we are left only with English, so after getting back to the keyboard you can check that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon, so it means that we've got only one language applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.